Refugees and Asylum Seeker tab of the ABC Splash website. I'm going to give you a bit of an overview of how to use it and some of the features on it. So, in the Asylum Seeker and Refugees tab up here, we've got the big picture section, which is an infographic that gives us some information about where refugees have come from that have settled in Australia. So this is lots of useful information that will help you in your project here. You can screenshot images out of this and use this one here in your project. You can also download this as well. Now, if we go up to the top and we go to interactive graph, this lets us select where our refugees are coming from. So the country of origin, we can choose the country that we are researching for our project. And what it does is it presents this information on a scatter plot down here. Now the bubbles, they just show us which country the refugees have come from, but the size of them shows the population of that country. The colour shows the number of refugees and asylum seekers as a percentage of that population. And what we've got over here is what's called the Human Development Index. So that's used to rate a lot of things in that country, like how developed they are in comparison to others. All right, so this is a useful resource for your project as well. We can also have a look at where those refugees are going to. So we can select countries on here and it shows us where these refugees are going to. In the section over here where we've got the data table, this puts this data from that graph into a table form where we've got numbers, percentages, and it shows us the Human Development Index, country of asylum population. What we can also do with this is download this data into a spreadsheet and create our own graphs out of that one. So this is a really useful resource to get data, statistics, graphs and maps to incorporate into your project.